Hello. In this video, I will be discussing healing and how to heal others. Healing is one of those abilities that you may not get at first, but it just ticks at one point. You just have to stay dedicated. Anyways, onto the tutorial and my method. Firstly, you can meditate for 10 minutes, or if you are already experienced, you don't need to always meditate. After meditation, breathe in and out. Visualize oxygen and energy entering all parts of your body, similar to how shows and animes show Kai. Breath out all negative energy. We can start the healing process now. Imagine energy in your veins, your very being. Visualize that energy flowing to your hand and form a pure, light, healing ray with the intent of healing injuries. If placed over an injury, visualize the injury becoming smaller and smaller until it's gone. That's it for now. If you don't have anybody to test your powers on, feel free to use plants or even nature. Experienced healers will be able to do this process much quicker and efficiently. You'll get there at some point. Peace out.